Hello, welcome. I'm so excited to share this product with you. I start with my contour and I'm going to go from the corner of my ear towards the corner of my mouth, but taking it about 2 finger widths away from the corner of my mouth. And I'm just pressing with the flat end of my detail hack brush into my cheekbone and just pressing in the product, kind of giving it a hook at the end so it's not a complete straight line. And this is just going to give my cheekbones that lift. After this, I'm going to apply it to the top of my forehead along the hairline and then kind of around the edge of my face down to the edge of my chin, or not chin, but jaw, and then under my jawline. I also bring this contour down my neck and kind of blend it out, creating a natural shadow and giving my neck a little bit of a warmer, darker color than my face so that I don't have that foundation face look, but pale white neck. All right, now I'm going in with my highlight and I'm taking the Buffy brush, the larger end, and just pressing the makeup in to my face everywhere that I did not apply the contour, and applying as much or as little as I need, as I feel like I need. I have a lot of age spots and discoloration, so I like to make sure it's nice and covered. So you'll notice I'm not concentrating very much under my eyes because I'm going to go in with that brightening color that I certainly recommend to most everyone, just to act as kind of a concealer and to brighten under the eyes and down the center of the face. There's no need to add 2 layers of this foundation. Here I am going in with that lighter shade and I'm just applying it under my eyes with the smaller end of that Buffy brush and fanning it out into like a triangle pie shape. And I'm getting the other side, and I always like to make sure I get the inner corner of my eye so that I'm not creating a dark shadow in the inner corner, and just pressing the product in, stippling it in so that I have a nice blended look. Okay, now I'm going down the front of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then anything extra I kind of go down under my nose and my chin, just to give that lit from within look into the center of my face. Now I'm taking the contour with that detail hack brush again, and just on the edge of the brush I added some contour, and I am lightly dragging that on the top edge of my nose to kind of cinch up my nose there, and I am kind of blending out that contour since I went in with my highlight. I'm just kind of defining that. All right, now I'm taking the contour and the smaller end of that detail hack and just lining my lips. I kind of go under my lip to give it that kind of pout, and then lightly on the top. And this doesn't have to be super exact, it just creates kind of a larger lip and lines it without being too exact. Okay, now I'm applying my lip and cheek color to my apples of my cheek and working it just a little bit up to my cheekbone, and using that lip and cheek color and applying it to my lips as well. All our products are so multifunctional. You can really use them any way you like. Okay, now I'm just blending out that blush with the fatter end of my detail hack. And then I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I love our bronzer so much. It is such a beautiful shade that just adds that warmth and brightening and sun-kissed look. So I'm just adding it to my forehead, top of my cheekbones, my neck, anywhere I want warmth, anywhere the sun would kiss or I want warmth. Obviously my neck isn't one, but I just like to kind of blend out my neck further. Okay, then I take my perfector sponge and just kind of press and bounce really this sponge I got wet, I wrung it out, and now it is just blending everything to perfection so that I don't have too much makeup in any one spot. And then if you like, you can go like I am here and just kind of making that highlight contour line a little bit more crisp to just give your cheeks even more of a pop. All right, and now I'm just taking that Buffy brush again, the smaller end, and I'm tapping in my cream illuminator into my cheekbones. This gives you the prettiest glow, and when the sun or the light hits it, it just, you see it, but it's not super distracting. I also like to add it to the insides of my eye, the top of like under my brow bone, and to the center of my lips. You can also add it to the top and on your nose, wherever you want really. And there you have it. I'm done. I'm good to go. All in one makeup.